This is Rusty Ross in Grand Haven. I'm listing a 2016 Crestliner 2150 Sportfish, powered with the Merc Verado 300. It's a 4-stroke. This boat was always kept in heated storage, always serviced at the end of the season, washed, waxed, detailed out. Thing's in great shape. Interior looks fantastic. There is tons of storage. And the owner equipped it with a bumping system. So it has the JL audio. I think there's 10, 11 different speakers. So a couple in the front. You can see it has the trolling motor off the front as well. There's a sub underneath. The system sounds fantastic. A couple more speakers below the cockpit. Got your fish finder. 2 more subs in the back. A beautiful boat. If you're getting ready for fishing season and you're looking for a new boat, give me a shout over at SkipperBud's in Grand Haven.